Hey lunar scientist, this video is just for you, so if you're not the lunar scientist, then you clicked on the wrong video. Alright, so if you haven't already, you should have completed your flip vocabulary. Okay, and if not, then you can click pause or stop and come back. So do that now and complete this. And then I'm going to check it. Or if you want to make sure everything's all cut out, then we're going to go through, and that way you can make sure that you glue it into the proper spot. Okay, so for this first one here, all of these with the typed definitions, those were already all in order. So all you had to do is cut this out and cut in between the definitions, okay, and then they are already in order for you. Okay, so if you mixed them all up, then go back and do it again. Okay. All right. It doesn't matter if you flip-flop these and glued this on page 9 and this on page 8. Okay. They're all key vocabulary words, so that doesn't matter. All right, but I'm going to go over the handwritten words and handwritten definitions. All right. The first one is gravity. Gravity is a natural force that causes things to move towards one another. So it's kind of like magnets. There's this magnetic pull. The Earth has a lot more magnetic pull than what we would have on the moon. Okay? And we're going to talk about that a little bit later. A lunar eclipse is when Earth passes in between the sun and the moon. Solar eclipse, so we just experienced that. So what happened? The moon passed in front of the sun, so the moon went between Earth and sun. Satellite. A satellite is just a smaller object that revolves around a larger object. So the moon is a satellite because it revolves, it goes around the Earth, like this. Okay, satellite, smaller. Okay. And umbra. This is a smaller shadow that the moon casts on the Earth during a solar eclipse, and it causes a total eclipse. So you know how people, like towards Nashville, they experienced a total solar eclipse because it was dark. And it's because of the shadow was, that darkest part of the shadow was kind of making a dark shadow all along the path of the total solar eclipse and made it dark. Okay, we were not in that area. We were in the penumbra, which is the next vocabulary word. Still in a shadow, but not completely dark. Okay, so the penumbra, and it's a larger area, so it's a larger shadow that the moon casts on the Earth during a solar eclipse, and it causes a partial eclipse. Okay, all right, so get those glued in, and you have to check them out, and now you're ready for your next task. Go Hawks!